Welcome to my channel where magic happens. Mix the resin, mix with care, color swirling in. Hello everyone, welcome back. So, what are we doing today? Well, guess what? I'm going to do a Larimar. I have always used Platinum Ultra Clear resin for the Larimar, never have tried it with anything else. And my room is always set at about 25 degrees. So I'm going to use the red from Holbein, the orange, and let's hope this doesn't make a, shouldn't, but let's hope it doesn't just turn all into orange. All right, the orange, I'm going to add a little bit of gold to the orange, and this is from Paper Mill, and I don't think they make it anymore. But you can easily get other golds that are similar to this. This one here is just gold, and I think you can get the same one from Solid Solutions and from Harry and Wilma here in Australia. I couldn't say overseas. You have to try and see which one works. And I'm going to use Custom Craft for the white. And this beautiful mold is from Julie at Pouring Your Heart Out. I will have a link in the description if you would like to buy the mold. And we'll get onto it. So I've got my white and my quantities for my white, and I'm gonna go let's see, and I like to put the drops slowly because the Larimar shouldn't be too opaque. See, that's not enough. I can add one more. So I've done a total of 5 drops because this Custom Craft that I bought, it's a new bottle, but I tell you what, it's not very strong at all. I'm used to Julie Katz Bloom, which she put a couple of drops and it's already quite strong. Look at that. That's 5 drops and it's not very opaque at all. So I'm going to leave it at that. And I'm going to do, which one? I might do this one here for the red. And I'm not going to make the red very strong because red overtakes everything. But it has done nothing. Let me shake it a bit. Let's try again. That's more like it. All right, so that is the red. And to me it looks more like magenta. I don't know why, but the magenta and this red looks very similar. Doesn't look red to me at all. The orange. And that's another color that can be overpowering. As you can see, I'll put 2 drops. That's quite strong already. And then this one here, I'm going to add just a little bit of gold to it. this much. Because remember that mica powders overtake everything. So if you put too much, that's all you're going to see. All right, so it's given it like a little sheen, which is what I wanted. And that's basically it. Right? Just a little sheen, that's all. Okay. All right, so we're going to pour the white first. And we are going to go like so, making sure that it's everywhere. And we are going to, let me see that I have it correct so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm going to scrape the bottom. This helps with the micro bubbles you get from the mold in the bottom. I'm going to give it a real quick to get rid of the bubbles. And then I'm going to go with my red. And lastly, my orange. And now I'm going to do my push. Okay, give it another little. And I am going to put gold in them. I'm doing well today. I'm going to put gold in the middle. So here it's hoping that it is the middle, because it's a bit hard to tell sometimes, especially when it's closed already. I might put just a little more. All right. And that's about it. So now we have to wait for the resin to do its magic. Okay, bye for now. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, that's quite pretty. Yep. Very, very pretty. I might have to do a top coat in it because I've used the mold so much. I'll have to buy another one. That it's lost the shine. So I might do a top coat in it because it always looks very beautiful when you do a top coat. And I might add this to it, maybe in here, like so. Isn't that pretty? This mold came from Etsy. Yep, very much in love with it. I'm debating whether I should glue it on or not. Yep. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Doesn't cost anything and it helps my channel grow. Let me know what you think. Should I add that to it or not? Okay? Stay magical. Remember, we all have magic in us. Bye for now.